Hello, I'm David Eves, President and CEO of Public Service Company of Colorado, which is part of Xcel Energy. In this video, you'll see an example of how students at Northglenn High School are benefiting from a partnership to increase math and science achievement across our state. We're the industry partner with the state of Colorado, the Colorado Education Association, and other funders. Xcel Energy is investing in this statewide effort called PSI-PMI program because it will eventually train hundreds of new science and math teachers to teach in dynamic new ways. It's a proven teacher training program that keeps our kids interested and on track to be successful in STEM careers. That's science, technology, engineering, and math. Keep watching and you'll see kids completely engaged in this new way of learning.
It is obviously science, technology, engineering, and math, although the instructional cornerstone of our STEM model is problem-based learning, and all of those other things, the science, all the STEM, are tools that you use to solve the problem.
And what we do is you're given this underlying question. It's just a question, like how can we improve recycling at Northglenn High School? With that, you use that question and you try to answer that question using your own inferences, stuff that you've researched.
Students decide what their approach to the problem is, they define the problem, they decide what possible solutions are, and they have to do it collaboratively because the workplace no longer is one person at a desk.
And they're building this culture of high levels of engagement and problem solving and critical thinking.
It really is student-centered. So I've gotten to know these kids so well and like the excitement they have and like the paths they're going.
Yeah, but the problem is that it goes fast, like
so it doesn't lower the speed.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
And then we have one student going to School of Mines. She is the first of her family to go to college. She is the first of her family to graduate high school, actually.
I am currently accepted in Colorado School of Mines, and I really want to go into a major of chemical engineering, possibly with a minor in genetics.
So today was the culmination of something called Coyote Clash, where our third graders were working on the identical problem-based learning unit. And they were really studying the impacts that coyotes have on our habitats around Colorado, especially in urban spaces.
Our problem is that coyotes are spreading out in our area and they're coming in our space.
So you had your kindergartners here as an authentic audience to say thumbs up or thumbs down on the sign design and what they learned. You had an authentic panel made up of biologists, the Colorado Division of Wildlife, naturalists, hikers, and then you had Northglenn High School students who are involved in early childhood studies here actually doing some of their studies on the children in the room.
The other thing that we hope to accomplish through this partnership is giving our employees an opportunity to engage with the school districts, to volunteer their time and energy, and to help students understand how these skills will be applied in future jobs.
We then ask them to be guest speakers. We then ask them to share their resources. We ask them to perhaps bring our students there for a field experience or a site visit. And then we ask them to be part of a panel. And I think that's where the power of this comes together, is in the panels. Students come before an authentic panel and share what they're thinking, and those panel members give them very critical feedback. And then students get a chance to redesign and rethink their solutions.
The biggest difference I see is in the students, in their excitement about learning, in their engagement in learning, and in the quality of product that they will bring to PBL panel.
Bringing students and industries together in a collaborative work environment only serves to benefit our entire communities. Bringing people together to do good work to benefit kids, and that's pretty much the bottom line.
Improving STEM education is imperative for the energy business. More than half of our current jobs require STEM degrees or extensive math and science skills. As the only industry partner in this STEM collaborative, we have a unique opportunity to contribute our knowledge to help make the effort relevant and to share the skills of our employees. I see this as a great investment for the future of our company and for Colorado children.